at it again, buying more of these. So I totally make a reprieve on these bulbs. I'm buying additional ones, and here are the prices at the store that I'm at. And let's go ahead and put these in the car. Go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish replacing the lights in the interior of the car first, which I'll show you in the video. So these footstool ones go in the interior. Then I bought just one just to test it out. This little teeny footstool one, you see it's like a little bit half of the size of this almost, or a quarter of the size, I should say. This are for the puddle lights in the doors. So I'm gonna show you how to install these really quick. Okay, so I think all you need to do is just find something, a little corner, and just pry it on out. Okay, hopefully it doesn't fall out. All right, so there's the bulb. I'm gonna replace just the one. I'll probably go back and get another one if it works okay and looks okay. With that, so it doesn't look too bad. Cool. Put it inside there. All right, let's take the LED one. And let's see, does it? Okay, I think it fits right. Okay, hey, perfect fit. It's right up in there. All right, so I think you want to turn these somewhere that's like down there. I'm hoping, maybe. I don't know. Since the other bulb here is more like shines all over. If you can kind of tell, like, it just shines all over. And then this one is, you know, more directed, like boom. So I guess you gotta, you know, direct it some type of way that it's down. All right, so let's go ahead and see if it works now that we got it installed. Hey, all right, it does. So we just have to, I guess, adjust it downwards. So it can kind of shoot down a little bit more. Like that. And then, you know, we'll have that. I'll put the casing back on, or covering, I should say. Let's see. Will it come on? Sometimes it doesn't come on until you adjust it just right. Okay, I gotta keep fiddling with it a little bit to kind of get it just right so that it will come on. So let me keep doing that, and I'll come back and once it's on. All right, there we go. Now I got it. Had to keep getting it with the right direction. I think sometimes too with the bulbs, one is positive, one is negative kind of thing, I think. So if you flip it around, it may work, stuff like that, if you happen to get these at Walmart. And then put the direction on them. All right, so let's go ahead and pop the cover back on these. All right. Okay, so now we're in the rear of the vehicle, and these are the vanity mirror lights and kind of like overhead dome lights that are facing towards the passenger. That's the mirror in the middle, and those are like the map kind of reading lights. They have the same exact bulbs that were in the front that I just showed you on the left and the right of the rear over top of the mirror. They're pretty simple to change out. All you have to do is just pull the tab right there. I have like a little small screwdriver right there, and you can just pull it out and eject the bulbs. It's pretty simple. I'm just trying to show you how to kind of do that, and you can replace that. So I'm going to quickly show you, pop one out and put the LED in. Okay, so you can kind of see where my finger is, popping it in. All right, come on, adjust here. Dude, does not want to adjust. Wait a minute. Okay, so you have the lights basically there, and then I'm gonna try to figure out how to get it, you know, angled correctly. I think I may do it this way, because like where the light is facing out, I guess. And yeah, probably like super bright doing it, you know, that way. Okay, so let's tackle the other one. I'm not going to show you because you kind of get the gist of it. Right, so put these on our, you know, it's pretty simple. Everything just kind of clips into space. So you have this that comes off first. Comes off secondly, and it just kind of just pops, you know, right into place. You know, nothing like, it's kind of like Tupperware almost. Put it in the back end. But I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna have to try to find the bulbs here, but I'm gonna do that at a later date because they are actually that color, which I don't like. So we can just go ahead and put that back on, close this back up, and then once again, it's just like a piece of plastic, and you can just very easily pop those back on. Okay, that's what that looks like. Hey, hey. All right, so, you know, just do the other one. Plain and simple, same thing. At the front, towards the back. All that kind of stuff. Wait a minute. Okay. Close that up so they go off. And then this. So up next, let's go ahead and do the puddle light, which at the bottom of the door. Pretty simple to take out, it seems. Sorry, I got my hands in the way. Just take a small, thought it was back here, but I could be wrong. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. All right, then these have the little teeny ones, as you can see. And then I'm going to replace them with this one right here. All right, and this one should definitely come out easily. Like that. Wait a minute, hold on, sorry guys, it's not really focusing. Okay, and then hopefully I can get it in there like that. I gotta use two hands, but you guys kind of get it. All right, so we are outside, and let's go ahead and see what it looks like for the first time inside of the vehicle. Hey, not bad. Yeah, it's nice and bright in there too. I like that. How it kind of looks in there. Okay. Not bad at all. Okay, so the puddle lights, let's just do the original bulbs that are in here. I'll just do the back. Okay, so you kind of see what that looks like. All right, so let's do just the one I replaced in the front door. Whoa. Okay, yeah, that's pretty bright. Let's open up the other door and just see. Wow. Let's do a step back. Go ahead and close all the way for me, please. Yeah, that's really bright.